Himanshu, right?
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Himanshu Singh. I was born in Sri Kanshiram Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Sir, I have completed my higher secondary education from KB Golconda, Hyderabad. Sir, I have completed my graduation from Sri Motilal Nehru College, Allahabad, which is affiliated to Sri Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur. Sir, my hobbies are surfing internet and playing cricket. Sir, if I talk about my interests, if I talk about my positives and teamwork is my one of my quality. And if I talk about my areas where I need improvement is improvement in debating. And so if I talk about my family, my father has retired from the army, and my mother, she is an artist.
So while you have been from the army background and you would have traveled across the country, your father was in the armed forces. Tell me, what are the things, the places have you seen, and any place which has fascinated you a lot?
Sir, I've been to different places, such as initially I started my schooling from Ambala. After that, sir, I was shifted to Misamari district of Assam. Sir, I've completed my, as I said, higher secondary education from Hyderabad. So I've lived in around 4 years in Hyderabad. Sir, and in the last, sir, my father got last posting at Allahabad. So majorly, sir, I've lived at 4 places. And sir, in between, sir, I've lived for some time in Lucknow as well. Sir, about the place that interested me a lot was Hyderabad, since where I've completed my higher secondary education, and where I learned so many things. For example, so many qualities I inculcated, which were
Tell
in
me three things about Allahabad.
about Allahabad. Sir, Allahabad is famous as a pilgrimage site. Sir, it is also famous for a confluence of rivers, two rivers, Ganga and Yamuna.
Only
Sir,
Ganga and Yamuna?
sir, Ganga and Yamuna.
I thought it was called Triveni.
Sir, it is said one river is mythical.
Which river? Which one?
Saraswati River. It is said to be a
Yes.
myth. Another one being, sir, it is famous for uh, a garden where Sri Chandrasekhar Azad
Okay,
was
next.
shot. Sir, these are the areas in
I
which.
thought there is a Kumbh there. Please. Kumbh Mela also takes place.
Definitely, sir.
Himanshu Singh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about Kanchiram Nagar.
Sir, Sri Kanshiram Nagar was carved from Etah district of Uttar Pradesh. Initially, it was a big district. Later, 3 tehsils were carved out and made a separate district, which was named after Sri Kanshiram ji, who established Samajwadi Party in the early 80s, initial 80s, from where we have Srimati Mayawati ji as twice president of Uttar Pradesh.
Samajwadi Party or बहुjan Samaj Party?
Bahujan Samaj Party, sir. Sorry, sir.
And what are the major problems of your district?
Sir, major problems of my district are educational. The quality of education has been deteriorating in recent years. Sir, employment is one of the biggest issue. So many youth have been unemployed, and as I've noticed, there is issue of thuggy, which is gaining, revivaling in this district, sir, that I've noticed. And sir, a third issue being the farmers. Sir, the farmers of, since Uttar Pradesh being the agrarian district, sir, the farmers from this district face problems such as distress sale. And in my district, especially, 80% of the households have their background in agriculture. These are the areas where I feel my district lacks.
Okay, the Kasgar is part of Awadh or Bundelkhand?
Sir, as far as I know, sir, this area is part of Awadh. It is not part of Bundelkhand.
Okay. Can you tell me the major characteristics of Awadh culturally?
Awadh culture? Uh, Sir, if I talk about specifically, if I talk about Kasganj, sir, culturally, if I talk, then we have a few prominent personalities such as Amir Khushro and Tulsi Daji, who were born in the Kasganj district. Sir, Amir Khushro is known as Totai Hind.
Banda se ki
Sir,
Kasgar se?
sorry, sir, I'm not able to hear. I'm not able to hear you properly, sir.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तुलसीदास
जी.
बांदा से हैं या एटा से हैं? सॉरी, कासगंज से हैं।
Sir, there is an issue going on regarding his birthplace. Since he has not written much about his birthplace, and even in his career, sir, he did not write much. So there was a controversy which is going on. Sir, it is said that he was born in Kashganj, and some say that he was born, as you have mentioned, he was born there. So, sir, I would say there is no specific document which says he was exactly born in Kashganj. But, sir, still we can say, as per the government document, few government document where accordingly he was born in Kashganj.
Okay, tell me about Amir Khusro.
Sir, Amir Khusro is known as Tota-e-Hind. He has been a very famous personality when it comes to music. He has discovered tabla, and sir, he was a prominent scholar at the court of at the time of Delhi Sultanate. He was a prominent figure. Sir, he was born in the Kashganj district, where so exactly the name where he was born, I am not able to recollect right now. It is not very far from my village. He lived very closely in that area.
The significance of Amir Khusro to Hindi literature.
Sir, he was the first musician who was able to inculcate. He developed Hindavi, which organized Arabic and modern Hindi, and he developed a new language which he called as Hindavi. Therefore, he was called Tota-e-Hind, sir.
Okay. And so हिंदी लिटरेचर हिंदी खड़ी बोली की कुछ विशेषता बताओ.
Sir, Khadi Boli has been the most used language right now. As of now, sir, it has been the lingua franca for the areas which adjoin the Uttar Pradesh, for example, Rajasthan and Bihar. Sir, Khadi Boli has been, it is not an original language. It has been developing since so many years. It has come out of languages such as Magadhi, and there have been some words which are from languages such as Maithili as well. So it is amalgamation of different languages which has been developing in the
खड़ी
northern.
बोली हिंदी खड़ी बोली
Yes, sir.
और देवनागरी लिपि. What is this difference?
Sorry, sir. I do not have much idea about it, sir. I will.
हिंदी लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड
Yes, sir.
फिर
Definitely.
भी आपको पता नहीं है.
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to recollect, sir.
अगर हम बोल ठीक है. अब पॉलिटिकल साइंस भी आपका सब्जेक्ट था.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the major political concept of J.S. Mill, John Stuart Mill.
Okay, sir. John Stuart Mill has given the philosophy of utilitarianism, where he said it is important that utility of something should be seen at first without or. Sir, not able to recollect right now, so exactly, but somewhat related to utilitarianism is his basic tenet.
Okay.
Who is your role model
Sir, my role model is my father.
and why?
Sir, I see him as a motivating figure, sir, for me. Sir, he has served for more than 20 years without complaining or without saying anything in the forces, and that is why, sir, he is my role model.
What are your main hobbies and interests?
So my hobbies being surfing internet and playing cricket.
Okay, so this is the batsman, and this is the batsman, this is the bowler, and he is a right hand. You are a batsman and a bowler.
Batsman, sir.
So you are batting here and right hand, and he is the bowler. So where is the mid wicket in this?
Sir, mid wicket is the area towards yourself, sir.
Is that?
Exactly.
Which area? Here or here?
Here, sir.
Mid wicket.
Yes.
Okay. Long on.
Sir, long on is towards this area, sir.
Long on is towards there.
I mean, if you look,
Yeah, this bottle towards you or towards?
okay, this is a stump, this is another stump, and long on is that side, long off is this side.
This is mid wicket. This is.
But
long.
there is an angular difference, sir. I mean, you need to be little bit
Mid
backward.
wicket is there,
Exactly,
long one
sir.
is
This
there.
is long one, yes, sir.
Okay. And where would the third man be?
Sir,
Third man.
third man being the the man who is standing right behind, not right
When did we
behind,
last won the World Cup?
when we won.
India.
Sir, 2011.
2000. Who was the captain?
Sir, Shri Mahendra Singh Dhoni ji.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay. All right. So what is Dusra? What type of bowling?
Sir, Dusra is a ball which was discovered by Shri Saklan Mustaq from Pakistan. Sir, it is a ball which is bowled by the spinners. Conventionally, it is different than a conventional spin ball. I mean, keeping a wrist at front, this ball is bowled, and it seems that it is going to be in a natural. It is going to divert in the natural way, but since the fist is towards the batsman, it diverts right opposite or
What is
in
the
a
principle of spinning?
so.
Physical principle of spinning the ball. How does the ball spin? In which principle of mechanics?
Sir, as far as I recollect, it is the Bernoulli principle which is responsible for the spinning of a cricket
Any
ball.
other example of Bernoulli's theorem in your life?
Yes, sir. Bernoulli principle is applicable to flying a plane. Sir, it is also applicable in the human arteries, which have certain level of pressure. It is required, sir.
And the ping pong ball.
Okay, sir. Ping pong ball. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You are captain of the cricket team or your team is not doing well. And you have to find out the reasons at whatever. So what will you do in bullet forms, please tell me? What will you do to regain the status of a cricket team?
Sir, if my
As a
team,
leader.
yes, sir. If my team is not doing good, sir, one thing I can do is to assign different roles. I mean, the person who is not able to do something in this role might be able to do something good in the other role. Another thing is keeping a good vigilance over the players, seeing their habits and seeing what they are doing outside the ground, their practice sessions. So these are the things I'm going to do to keep a check on my team.
Only three things: vigil,
Yes.
changing the assignment.
Yes.
Third,
Third being me myself seeing
autocratic leadership
yes sir
removal. Right?
seeing review from my
Autocratic leadership removal.
yes sir.
Yes. And what do you see yourself as a leader in CISF on a airport security? What is your role?
Sir, a role of CISF assistant commandant is to supervise the fellow members who are there securing the airport. Sir, it requires teamwork. It requires a good vigilance. It requires effortless, and dedicated services, sir. It also requires to be for an assistant commandant to be able to handle and keep good relationship with its fellows, so that if there is some issue that his fellow members are facing, they are able to communicate it to the assistant commandant. Sir, another quality being professionalism, sir. He should be apt while he is on duty. He should not compromise on anything.
You are professional, you look after the assistant commandant duties very well, you know your system within CISF. If that suffices the requirement to serve well and be effective on the airport, or there is some more to it?
Sir, especially when it comes to state-of-the-art technology and the area which...
All this is okay. Professional done.
Yes, sir.
What else other qualities of assistant
Sir,
commandant in the airport area?
So he should be well versed and robust in technology, and
Professional. Done.
sir, these
One
are
word. I said bullets.
the points only I can
How
recall.
about the coordination, civil, licensing, passenger requirement, welfare, knowing the system security,
Definitely, sir.
the airport manager, various airlines,
Coordination.
liaising with local police,
Correct, sir.
exercises. There's so much.
Yes, sir.
You are focused to the four attributes. Here the problem comes in the leadership.
Okay,
One
sir.
has to open up beyond the normal call of duty. That is called leadership. Because situations develop beyond the call of duty. Okay. Last question I have is, what is the best achievement in your life so far?
Okay. Sir, best achievement for me would be academics. In academics, sir, when I went to Hyderabad, sir, I realized that I was not very sound in language and literature. Sir, in my 12th, sir, I worked hard and I scored decent marks. Sir, I was the highest scorer of literature in my class, sir. So I feel this was the first and the biggest achievement for me to do something which I wanted to do, to have a good language.
What is the most embarrassing moment of your life?
Sir, embarrassing moment for me was to disqualify in CDS, getting disqualified in CDS. So I was quite confident that I would be clearing the CDS.
You done NDA before?
Yes, sir, I have appeared for NDA once.
SSB?
Yes, sir.
One for conference out or the screen out?
Sir, I screened out, sir.
Screened out.
Yes, sir.
Father is a honorary Nag Subedar.
Yes, sir.
So you have a service there. Screened out region?
Sir, I talked to my seniors about it, sir. They said you need to be very original when you go to
Any
SSB.
training done?
Sir?
Interview, SSB?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to get.
Any training conducted on SSB interview?
No, sir. That is when I went for the first time. Sir, I went just as I was. I did not prepare much about it since I wanted to
You
go.
are a young person, even if you are not able to qualify this year, what will you do?
Sir, I have one CAPF attempt left. Sir, I am very positive that I will be able to qualify, but
All
in
right.
case.
All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Hope for the best.
Thank you.
Please wait outside. We'll
All
call
right.
you.